Hey guys, Tax Attorney Joshua Sells here. Another quick episode of Tax Law Guy. Hey, today I wanted to talk really quickly about will you get your refund if you owe back tax? We get that question quite a bit. You get your 1040 file with the IRS, you're due a refund, and logically the next question if you owe back tax to the IRS is, will I get my refund? Are they going to give it to me or are they going to take it? Well, like anything tax related, it depends. So today let's take a look at answering that question. Will I get my IRS refund if I owe IRS back taxes? All right, so generally speaking, if you owe back tax to the IRS and you're due a refund, the IRS is going to offset that refund. What that means is they're going to take it. At the end of the day, they're going to take that refund, apply it towards your back tax, and you're not going to get it to the extent that you have the back tax. Now, with the COVID stimulus funds, of course, you would still get that, generally speaking. So if you were expecting COVID stimulus-related refunds, you are likely going to get those. But if we take the COVID stimulus funds out of the equation, there's actually a little trick that we use for some of our clients. On line 36 of the 1040, when we have a client that has back taxes and they're expected to have a refund, we can actually request that the IRS apply the refund to next year's taxes. And you may say, well, that doesn't get me a refund. Correct, that's right, but what it does do is it applies the refund about half of the time, and I'll explain that in just a bit. It applies the refund to next year's balance. So that means that you can change your withholdings on your paycheck to a lower amount. What that results in is you're basically going to get the refund just throughout the year because the IRS will take less money from your paycheck. Now you may say, well, I'm self-employed. I don't have withholdings. Well, you can do less estimated tax payments then. And that's another way that you can basically get that refund throughout the year. Now, why I said this works about half of the time is because it works about half of the time. For whatever reason, it's not supposed to work. Let me just throw that out there. Technically, if you review the IRM, they're not supposed to apply that refund to next year. They're supposed to offset it. But for whatever reason, about half of the time, when we request it to be applied to next year's tax account, the IRS applies it to that. Why? I have no idea. It's a mystery that is called the IRS Antiquated Computer Program. Okay, and so nonetheless, there is this little trick there. Whatever you do, don't share this video with the IRS. Let's keep this on the down low, if you will. But if you are expected to have a refund and you owe back tax, it's worth a try. Again, that's line 36 on the 1040. So hopefully that helps. If you do owe back tax and you are expecting a refund, it's a little trick that may help. All right, so hopefully that was helpful. We'll see you on the next episode of Tax Law Guy. Take care.